I'm going to compare GELATO and PRINTIFY. GELATO and PRINTIFY are both popular print-on-demand platforms, but they serve slightly different needs. GELATO is praised for making print-on-demand easy and eco-friendly. Users like that it prints products locally in many countries, which means faster shipping and lower delivery costs. The product quality is generally good, especially for things like prints, mugs, and apparel. Some users mention that customer service is helpful and responsive. However, a few have noted that product variety isn't as wide as some competitors. PRINTIFY is popular for its wide range of products and easy-to-use print-on-demand service. Users like that it offers lots of customization options and works well with major online stores like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. Many sellers appreciate the flexibility to choose from different print providers to find the best price and quality. The product quality is good, though some users say it depends on the chosen print provider. Customer support is generally helpful but can sometimes be slow. Overall, GELATO is better for faster, eco-friendly local printing worldwide, while PRINTIFY is better for a wider product selection and more print provider options.